Hi guys, good afternoon. So I'm Arlene from the Philippines, and as you can see on my backside, it's juicy, and you can see that our yard is getting greener every day because it has been raining since I think the last 6 days. So everything is going green now, and actually they are enjoying the green grass. So but first, let me thank our subscribers for continuously supporting us. Thank you so much, guys. And for those who haven't subscribed yet but still watching our videos, please subscribe, guys. It would really mean a lot to us. Okay, so for today, our task is to rake actually this whole side of the property. I will show you this one that is very close to the car because the chickens keeps scratching on it. But as you can see, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. It's already very dark, so I think soon it will rain. And as you can see, not all, mostly the areas in our backyard are getting green. Only some parts actually underneath this jackfruit tree is not, but it's because of the sunlight, Sorry, what's that? Okay, I was attacked with something, and oh my god, there we go. We have a chick in distress. It's okay, I will let the chick out. Ah! Arvin, help! I-rescue mo yung chick. Go away, come on. Sige, pag lumayo ako, papatuin ko siya. Yung kuhanin mo. Go. Dali, kuhanin mo yung nalulunod siya. Dali, pag malayo. Bilis. Hindi. I'm sorry, guys, but our chicks are kind of aggressive because it has babies. Go, dali. Arvin, go. Hey. Yeah, no, you cannot help your baby. Kumuha ka ng stick. The baby will die. We don't want to have a drowned chick again on our conscience. Okay, go. Get it. Kuhanin mo yung... Hindi nga ako kaya na. Okay. That is... Okay. Now, the chick is rescued. I'm very sorry, guys. Oh my god. I don't know why we have only one chick for this hen. Okay, so that is just a commercial break, guys. So as you can see, everything is almost green, and we have one task left still. We have to clean the goat stall, but that is another story. But first, we have to get the rakes. Okay, so hi guys, we will rake this part of the yard, okay, and hopefully we will not catch the rain. So I'll be right back. Let's do it faster. So what we're trying to do is we just try to scrape the top, and that's where the grass can grow. Okay guys, so now we are ready and I will show you what we have done. Okay, so as you can see, yep, in a short time, I don't know how many minutes, we were able to clean it up. But we don't want to burn the leaves, right? Because in the next few days we will build some sun plant box over here, and at the bottom we will put all the dried leaves as compost. Okay, so the plan is from there we will build plant box, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4, and we will plant them with some pechay, some okras and that stuff, and we will use the mango dried leaves as sort of compost. Okay, so guys, I think it will rain in the next few minutes, so we have to put the goats inside. And as you can see, now it's already raining, so check it out. So that is my son Arvin, and he is busy with the Juicy, and I will take care of Lucy because it's already raining. So actually we did right on time. Okay, 1 second guys. Yeah, I know you don't like it, huh? They don't like to get wet. Go, 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 go. Good girl. Before that, so as you can see, we have a ripe guavano here, so it's already ripe. I will just pick it up. So see, it's some part is damaged, but I think I can cut some good portions for us to eat. Okay, there you go. So we have the, come on. Up. Come on guys, it's raining already. Otto, shut up. Go inside, come on. So it's raining guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Have a nice day. It's raining here as you can see on my glasses. Thank you. Bye.